Michigan winters are one of my car's toughest enemies when it comes to keeping a clean car. Unlike in the summer, where I can take my time detailing every inch of my Subi, the freezing temperatures during the winter prevents the gardening hose from working and limits the amount of time I can comfortably spend outside. But I know it's still important to wash my car to prevent the buildup of salt that can cause rust, and a dirty car really prevents your car from looking its best. While automatic car washes are a quick and easy way to clean your car, I prefer to use the self-service washes, or at least the touchless options, to prevent the swirl marks and scratches these machines can cause. Self-service car washes are also typically less expensive than automatic washes, and you can control the quality of the cleaning. Now, the first step you're going to want to do when using self-service car washes is to find the brush and I like to start off by spraying soapy water from the top of the car to the bottom, slowly making my way around the entire car. I try not to worry too much about making my car look super clean, as it'll probably just get dirty the second I drive off. My main goal is really just to get rid of the salt from my vehicle. With only a few seconds left, I rinse off the entire car with water. Now it's drying time. In cold weather, the water on the car freezes pretty quickly, so it's important to start drying right away. After drying off the rest of my car, I try to remember to dry off the fuel door so the next time I have to get gas, it won't be frozen shut. Ask me how I know. Now that my car is as clean as can be, there's only one more thing left to do. Sit back and enjoy the freshly cleaned car.